Hey y'all, I just released my first financial literacy ebook, How I Became Debt Free in 22 Months. This is an easy, educational, and encouraging guide. I want you to check it out. It's only $5. Look in the link in the description box below and click that button. Hey y'all, so I decided to make some strawberry cheesecake muffins. This is the Martha White brand. I got it from Walmart for under $1. As you see, all you need is a half cup of milk. So I was like, yes, ma'am, let's work for me. As soon as I opened the packet, I could definitely smell it. It smelled so yummy, but I was like, where is the rest? So as you can see, it's not that much in the pack, but it still turned out to be a good amount of servings. It was just me. And I am adding some almond milk. All you need is half a cup. Listen, whole milk is not my friend. I am not a fan of it, and neither is my tummy. So almond milk for me. Go ahead and mix your ingredients like so. And listen, pay attention to that bottom, okay? I don't know. Is it just me? But whenever I'm mixing something, that bottom just don't want to work with me. Drop down in the comments and let me know if that happens to you too. And yes, I'm using my spatula here. Listen, I love a good cooking spatula. This is my favorite cooking tool. I just feel like a chef mixed with a little barista. Listen, I'm saving the world, okay? You can't tell me that I'm not saving the world and doing God's work in the kitchen when I'm using a good old spatula, okay? And as you see, I got it in there. It was all mixed nice and well. Got my little muffin pan here. It is from Dollar Tree, y'all. Dollar Tree has really good baking utensils. Don't be spending a whole lot of money. I did double line these with my little cupcake liners. I just feel like they're kind of flimsy, so I just put 2 in there. And this actually made 6 muffins, so that was perfect for me. I didn't need too much. Didn't want to go too out of the way with this. I got my little measurer here. I think this was the 1/3 measuring cup. And I just went in. Okay, it does say don't overfill it, y'all. So be sure to not overfill it. But I went in and I was able to just kind of scoop a bit in each one. And I didn't run out. I actually had like a little more in there. So I kind of had to just fill it where I could. You can see those little strawberries poking out, y'all. When I tell you this was so yummy, oh my gosh. With the smell, I was like, okay, I made a good purchase because I wasn't quite sure. I haven't bought these in a while, but it was really, really good. And as you can see, they thickened up nicely with the almond milk. So don't be afraid to, substitute for almond milk, skim milk, 2%, whatever. You can use whatever milk that you want, okay? It will work out just fine. So y'all see my little muffins. Look, they just muffining right now. They are nice and full. I did preheat the oven to 400 degrees, so it was already ready for me. I left them in, I think it was about 12 minutes. I can't quite remember. I did put a toothpick in there. And y'all, they came out so good. Drop down in the comments and let me know. Would you try these?